Hey guys, so the last part about this unit that's really cool is it's got an automatic garage door on one side. The other one is manual, but in 1929 you don't really have a lot of the automatic garage door openers. So this is one of your garages, and you can also, it doubles in the back there, as you can see, storage. And over here, I don't know if you can see into this window, but this is another unit that you can easily convert into an ADU, an additional dwelling unit, and get even more rent money out of. So if you're an investor, this is a great property to look at. And the one last thing I'm going to show you is the backyard, which is really neat because you've got a fig tree, a pomegranate tree, an apple tree, and a lime tree, and you've got a fire pit. So this is a great property to invest in. It's blocks away from the ocean and all the cool things in this area. So if you're interested, give me a call, 559-779-8693, or shoot me a message at ak@doculink.com, and look forward to helping you find your next investment property.